Mom? Mom, what are you doing up so late?
Val, you never called to say that you were working late. You know I worry.
I got caught up in a new project. I'm sorry, Mom. You know I love you.
Val, you know that I love you too. What's that?
Just some things from my office.
Oh?
Yeah, my office was just getting a bit cluttered.
Okay. Oh, I saw Mrs. Peters today.
Oh, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
How is she?
Her daughter Cassie is getting married next month.
Is she?
Yes, yes. Well, I know how you feel about that subject, so I won't go any further.
Thanks, Mom. Because there's something I need to talk to you about.
Oh? Val?
Yes, Mom?
What's bothering you?
What's this?
This is my business.
Mom, you know, if you need my help with money,
You can
Mama,
you can what? Rescue me? Eh? Is this what you wanted to talk to me about, little girl? I can take care of myself.
I didn't mean it like that, Mom. I'm just concerned.
Ah!
We only got one life to live. We should make no apologies. We only got one life to live. We should make no apologies. Hey, this is what I've been thinking for some time now.
Mom, talk to me.
This uniform I have worn proudly for the past 25 years to pay for the best private schools, the best university, the best tutors. And don't you forget those senior class trips.
Mom.
Don't you mom me. If I could do all of that, huh? Have mercy. Don't you dare talk to me again about another past due bill. You know, the proudest day of my life was when I saw you walk in as general manager of my hotel. And then I knew that everything that I did for my baby girl was not in vain.
You know that I appreciate everything that you've done for me, right?
Yeah. I'm sorry. I shouldn't have lost it like that. I never knew that I had it in me. Look at you, confidently glowing with success. If I had the courage, I would have made something of myself.
Don't say that, Mom.
But it's true. I was quite the coward. I talked myself out of pursuing a higher education. Fear of leaving you alone with sitters and just not being there with you when you grew up fueled my doubt of me getting something better for myself. This is the most recent in a long line of Employee of the Month awards. At least I have something to show for my cowardly decision. Be a good girl and finish up the ironing for me. I have an early shift in the morning.
For every seed I sow, for every inch that my locks grow, Most I watch over my soul and restores my soul. For everything that I don't know, shine your light, let it be shown. Most I watch over my soul and restores my. How could I be so ungrateful with all you want?
I'm sorry. What are my things from work doing here?